Welcome back. Today, I'm revealing 5 insanely easy ways you can start making money online, right now. No complicated business models, no experience needed, just simple methods anyone can start today. I'll break down each step so you know exactly what to do. These are proven, beginner-friendly ways to earn cash from your couch. We'll cover everything from getting paid for your opinion to selling things you already own. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end that could out-earn all the others combined. Let's dive into the 5 easiest ways to make money online for beginners. First up, freelancing. If you want to start making money online, this is the most accessible and flexible path for beginners. Freelancing lets you work from anywhere, set your own hours, and choose the projects you want to take on. It's the perfect way to dip your toes into the world of online income. Even if you're starting from scratch, this is the fastest way to land your first online client. You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience, just a willingness to learn and put yourself out there. The internet is full of people and businesses looking for help, and you could be the one to provide it. Don't worry if you think you have no skills. Everyone starts somewhere, and you probably already have more to offer than you realize. Maybe you're organized, good at typing, or just eager to help out. That's all you need to get started. You can start with the simplest gigs, data entry, virtual assistant tasks, or even commenting on social media. These jobs don't require advanced skills, but they do require reliability and attention to detail. Many clients are just looking for someone dependable to help with everyday tasks. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are your launchpads. These websites connect freelancers with clients from all over the world. They make it easy to find work, even if you're brand new. Create a free profile in minutes, fill in your details, add a short description about yourself, and you're ready to go. Don't overthink it, just get started. Make your profile look professional, use a clear, friendly photo, and write a short, confident bio. Highlight any skills or experiences you have, even if they're from school or volunteering. List easy services like data entry or social media commenter. You can also offer to organize files, do basic research, or help with email management. The key is to start simple and build from there. Yes, people pay for engagement on their posts. Businesses and influencers want to boost their online presence, and they'll pay you to help them do it. Even small tasks can add up to real money. Once your profile is set, start applying for jobs. Don't wait for clients to come to you. Be proactive. The more jobs you apply for, the better your chances of landing your first gig. On Upwork, send proposals tailored to each job. On Fiverr, create gigs that clearly explain what you offer. Make it easy for clients to see how you can help them. At first, bid low. Think $5 or $10. Your goal isn't to get rich right away, but to build your reputation and gain experience. Once you have a few jobs under your belt, you can start charging more. The goal isn't the money, it's to get those crucial first reviews. 5-star reviews are gold. They show future clients that you're reliable and do great work. They build your reputation and attract more clients. The more positive feedback you have, the easier it becomes to land higher-paying jobs. After a few positive reviews, raise your rates. Don't be afraid to increase your prices as your skills and reputation grow. Clients are willing to pay more for proven freelancers. That $5 gig can become $20, then $50. Over time, you can turn freelancing into a serious income stream, or even a full-time career. Be fast, reliable, and communicate well. Respond to messages quickly, deliver work on time, and always be polite. Good communication sets you apart from the competition. Over-deliver. If they ask for 50 emails, give them 55. Small extras show clients you care and make them more likely to hire you again. This extra effort turns one-time clients into repeat customers. Building long-term relationships is the secret to steady freelance income. Don't get discouraged if you don't get hired immediately. It's a numbers game. Every no brings you closer to a yes. Persistence is key. Apply to as many jobs as you can. Treat it like a challenge. Set a daily goal for applications and stick to it. The more you put yourself out there, the faster you'll succeed. The first time you get hired, you'll realize how real this is. That first payment is proof that you can make money online, and it's an amazing feeling. As you gain experience, learn new skills, like social media management, basic design, or even copywriting, to offer higher-paying services. There are tons of free resources online to help you grow. But it all starts with that first simple gig. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity, just get started and learn as you go. So after this video, go to Upwork or Fiverr, create a profile, and apply for 5 jobs. Take action now. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Take the first step. Your freelance journey starts today. With consistency and effort, you can become a freelance legend and build the life you want, 1 gig at a time. Method 2. Online surveys. This is one of the simplest ways to earn extra cash from the comfort of your own home, and you don't need any special skills or experience to get started. It's so easy, it almost feels like cheating. All you need is a device and an internet connection, and you can start making money by simply sharing your opinions. Companies are eager to know what you think about their products, advertisements, and new ideas. They use your feedback to improve what they offer, and they're willing to pay for it. While you won't get rich overnight, you can realistically make an extra $50 to $200 a month just by answering surveys in your spare time. That's money you can use for bills, treats, or savings. Instead of endlessly scrolling through social media or watching random videos, why not answer a few questions and get paid for your time? It's a productive way to turn downtime into extra income. The key is to stick with legitimate sites. Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Branded Surveys are some of the most trusted platforms out there. These sites have been around for years and have paid out millions to users just like you. Signing up is completely free. All you have to do is provide your email address and some basic information about yourself, like your age, interests, and location. Be honest and detailed when filling out your profile. The more information you provide, the more surveys you'll qualify for, and the more money you can make. Companies want to match you with surveys that fit your background. Once your profile is set up, you'll see a list of available surveys, each showing how long it'll take and how much you'll earn. You can pick and choose which ones to complete based on your schedule. Start with the shorter surveys to build momentum and see your first earnings roll in. It's motivating to watch your balance grow, even if it's just a few dollars at a time. Realistically, you'll make a few dollars an hour, but if you stick with it, those small amounts add up over weeks and months. It's a steady way to supplement your income. If you dedicate just 30 minutes a day to surveys, you could easily earn an extra $50 or more each month. That's money you didn't have before, just for sharing your thoughts. To maximize your earnings, sign up for multiple reputable survey sites. This way, you'll always have surveys available and can pick the ones that pay the most for your time. Keep an eye on payout thresholds. Most sites let you cash out once you reach a certain amount. Cashing out regularly can keep you motivated and show you that your efforts are paying off. Don't get discouraged if you get disqualified from a survey. It happens to everyone. Just move on to the next one. There are always more opportunities waiting. Here's your challenge. Sign up for at least 2 reputable survey sites, fill out your profile completely, and complete 5 surveys this week. See how much you can earn in just a few days. It's truly free money for your thoughts. Don't let your opinions go to waste. Get started today and turn your spare time into extra cash. Next up, let's talk about selling stuff you don't use. You might be surprised by how much value is hiding in your home, just waiting to be turned into extra cash. Take a look around. What's gathering dust on your shelves or tucked away in your closet? Your old electronics, clothes, or books can easily be transformed into money in your pocket. That old phone, a jacket you never wear, or a stack of novels you've already read, these are all potential sales. Start with popular online marketplaces like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. These platforms have millions of users looking for exactly what you're selling, making it easy to connect with buyers. Snap clear, well-lit photos from different angles, write honest and detailed descriptions, and set a fair price by checking what similar items have sold for recently. The more information you provide, the more confident buyers will feel. Once you make a sale, follow the platform's shipping instructions carefully, or arrange a safe local pickup for bigger items like furniture. Good communication with buyers helps build trust and can lead to positive reviews. If you run out of things to sell from your own home, don't worry. There's another way to keep the momentum going. Try flipping. Buy undervalued items at thrift stores, flea markets, or garage sales, and resell them online for a profit. With a little research, you can spot hidden gems that others overlook. It's like a real-life treasure hunt, and the thrill of finding something valuable for cheap can be just as rewarding as the profit itself. If you're creative, consider opening an Etsy shop for your handmade or digital products, whether it's art, jewelry, or even digital downloads like planners and templates. Items like original artwork, custom jewelry, or printable planners are always in demand. You can turn your hobbies into a steady stream of income. Digital products are especially great because you only need to create them once, but you can sell them over and over again. No shipping, no inventory, just pure, passive income. Imagine waking up to a notification that you've made a sale while you were sleeping. That's the magic of digital products. For Etsy, focus on taking great photos, writing clear and engaging descriptions, and keeping a consistent shop style so your brand stands out. You don't need to be a master artist or expert crafter to succeed. Simple items like custom mugs, stickers, or even personalized keychains can sell surprisingly well. Start small. Right now, scan your room and find just one thing you don't use anymore. Take a few good photos, write a short description, and list it for sale online. It only takes a few minutes. Even if it doesn't sell right away, you've taken the first step to becoming an online seller. With each listing, you'll get better and more confident. And who knows, you might just discover a new side hustle you love. Now for the holy grail, affiliate marketing. You recommend products, share a special link, and earn a commission when someone buys. Amazon Associates is the easiest program for beginners. Sign up free with your Amazon account. You don't need a big audience. Start with friends and family. Next time someone asks for a recommendation, send your affiliate link. Take it further. Create simple product review videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. You don't even have to show your face. Just film the product in action. Add your affiliate link to your bio. If your video gets views, some will click and buy. The best part? You earn commission on anything they buy within 24 hours of clicking your link. Be authentic. Only recommend products you genuinely use. Start with 5 favorite products, make short review videos, and post one a day. Don't worry about views at first, just get your links out there. This method can snowball. One viral video could earn you hundreds or thousands. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with consistency, it can become serious passive income. Last method before the bonus, online tutoring. You don't need to be a certified teacher, just know more than someone else about a subject. Sites like Chegg Tutors and TutorMe let you help students with homework or essays. Pay can start at $20 an hour, just for sharing what you already know. If academics aren't your thing, teach English on platforms like Cambly. Just chat with people learning the language. No lesson plans needed, just conversation. You can also tutor hobbies or skills, guitar, video editing, even gaming, using Fiverr. People will pay to learn your hobbies. To start, pick one thing you're good at and find the best platform for it. Create a compelling profile with a friendly photo and a bio that highlights your experience and teaching style. Emphasize that you're patient and great with beginners. Your challenge: identify one skill you could teach and sign up for a tutoring platform. You don't have to get a student right away. Just create your profile and see what happens. That's 5 simple ways to make money online. Plus, here's your bonus tip. Combine these methods. Start a TikTok reviewing thrift store finds, method 3, and use Amazon affiliate links, method 4, to monetize. Offer freelance services, method 1, to help others set up Etsy shops. The real money comes when you create a system where these hustles work together. Don't just watch, take action now. Your journey starts with the first click. Let me know in the comments which method you'll try first. Are you listing something on eBay, signing up for Survey Junkie? If you got value, hit like and subscribe for more ways to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Go make that money. The information provided in this content is for educational and informational purposes only, and should not be considered financial, legal, or tax advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or legal counsel before making any financial decisions. The creator of this content is not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided. Investments and financial decisions carry risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results.